Habari, welcome to another video number 18 of the Swahili Grammar mini course series. In this video we will learn another noun class. Okay, this is class. Okay, so in this video we will learn about class. Now the class is made up of verbs which begins with the prefix ku. Okay, and they're used as nouns or verbal nouns or gerunds. Okay, and can be modified by adjectives, can also appear in positions where nominal elements are typically present, referred to as infinitives. Okay, infinitive preposition. Okay, so the preposition to plus the verb. Okay, to plus the verb. Okay, example in English, that will be to eat, to cry, to read. Okay, now a gerund is a verb form that ends with ing. Okay, the form, a verb form which ends with ing. Example, eating, crying, reading. Okay, now these express the act of doing. Okay, they express the act of doing or the act of becoming or the state of being. Okay, and they have no singular or plural forms. Okay, now infinitive verbal infinitives. Okay, example, ninapenda kusoma, I like to read. Ninapenda kusoma, I like to read. Ku. Okay, ku comes from the verb soma, which means read, kusoma, which means to read. Okay, so these are verbal infinitive. Okay, now gerund, present tense particles. Okay, ninapenda kusoma, I like reading. Ninapenda kusoma, I like reading. Now can you see the difference between these two sentences? The first one, verbal infinitive, ninapenda kusoma, I like to read. Here we see ninapenda kusoma, meaning I like reading. Okay, I like reading. Okay, now reading here is a noun. Okay, kusoma became a noun, reading. Okay, another infinitive verbal noun. We have these verbal nouns. Okay, kusoma ni vizuri, kusoma ni vizuri, to read is good. Okay, to read is good, kusoma ni vizuri, to read is good. Okay, now gerund that comes from the verbal noun kusoma ni vizuri, meaning reading is good. Okay, kusoma here is a noun. Reading, kusoma. So kusoma can be a noun or can be a verbal noun, infinitive verbal noun. Okay, kusoma ni vizuri, to read is good. Here it appears as infinitive verbal noun, but here it appears as gerund verbal noun. Okay, kusoma ni vizuri, reading is good. Okay, now the negation of the ku class. Negation of the ku class. Just insert a grammatical particle to. Okay, to. Okay, as an infix, between the infinitive ku and the verb stem. Okay, so you add a grammatical to as an infix between the infinitive ku and the verb stem. Okay, the verb stem. For example, kusoma, to read. Okay, to read. Or it can also mean reading. Okay, we have seen it can be an infinitive verbal noun, or it can be a gerund. Okay, kusoma. If you negate, this will be kutosoma. Kutosoma, which means not to read, not reading. Okay, kutosoma. So you add an infix here to. You add an infix to. Okay, to, between the ku and soma. Okay, between the ku and the verb stem soma. So it becomes kutosoma. Okay, kutosoma. Example, another example will be kulala. Kulala, which means to sleep or sleeping. You add to between ku and lala, and you negate. Okay, that's how you negate. Kutolala. Kutolala. Kulala means to sleep. Kutolala means not to sleep. Okay, kuelewa. Kuelewa. Kuelewa, which means to understand or understanding. Kutoelewa. Kutoelewa. Now you can see here we added to. Okay, kutoelewa, not to understand. Okay, we also have monosyllabic verbs. Okay, example, kula, to eat or eating. Kula. Okay, kula. This is also a monosyllabic verb. Kula. Okay, kula. Now another example of monosyllabic verb is kupa, to give. Kupa. Kupa. Okay, negation of monosyllabic verbs. How do you negate those monosyllabic verbs? Retain their ku. Okay, infinitive marker when negated. They retain their ku, infinitive marker when negated. Example, kula becomes kuto kula. So we added kuto. Kuto, and the verb remains the same, kula. Kuto kula, not to eat. Kupa becomes kuto kupa. Kuto kupa. Kuto kupa. Okay, now these are the monosyllabic verbs. All right, now that's it about the ku class, the ku noun class. I hope you learned something. If you have any question, please do not hesitate to ask in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Kwaheri. If you want to become fluent in conversational Swahili, please consider subscribing so you can receive a new video every week.